What is up, boys and girls? It's your boy E-Man back at it again with another video, and we're trying something new today, so stay tuned.
Yo!
After flying into Louisiana the first night, I clocked out, and the next morning we began our adventures. Four hours later, we made it to Houston and made our first stop to the Galleria.
On my chest.
Hey, is it another Omega?
Omega, yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
Price watches.
Oh. I do want to roll it one day.
Got pretty hungry while strolling through expensive boulevards, so we went down to the food court and grabbed some food. Holy crap.
What?
The bowls. See what you got.
Try my broth first. Alright. Take you a spoon?
Oh, that's really good. Damn, I should have got that.
It was a slurp it too. Like, if you make noise when they're in actual Japanese restaurant.
I'm done with walking around with a pregnant belly. Full belly.
As long as we work out tomorrow, later tonight, we're good.
Yeah, we are.
We might not run because it's raining. So.
Bruh. It's a terrible excuse.
What, dude?
It wasn't raining yesterday.
We just ate and we worked out earlier. We did chest and arms.
Side note, we never got to go running throughout this trip, but we went out walking that day and checked out the waterfalls, so that was a cool experience and a workout. After that chill walk at the waterfalls, we met up with Pham's brother and family. Big shout out to Pham's brother for hosting us while we were in Houston. But really nice park. Hung out there and had some fun while we were just killing time. After the park, we went to a restaurant in Chinatown called Two Hands, where they make some really dope corn dogs.
Go for it.
You want to know about that?
No. Go. What's up? What's up?
At this moment, Pham realized he wanted to be a competitive eater. The next day, we headed out to the Blue Lagoon, probably the best part of the trip. After a few hours in the water, we fueled up with some MREs to get to the next stop.
Some of the perks of owning a Tesla, you get free gifts at certain charging stations, and you car and get a free drink.
Big shout out to Tesla Superchargers and the Host Bakery for the treats. Next stop, Dallas Fort Worth. To Dallas without a plan is not the move. The day was gloomy and it seemed like it wanted to rain. So we hit up our host, Daniel, and his wife. Shout out to them for letting us stay for the night and got some Texas barbecue to call it the night. On the way back to Louisiana, we made a pit stop to visit a buddy of mine from basic training, Joel. Stop before returning back to Atlanta, French Quarters, New Orleans.
First time trying these in Louisiana. very messy to eat. It's all over my hat.
And your bag.
Definitely works.
One out of 10? 1 out of 10?
9.
Oh, okay.
It's not completely melted in the mouth, so 1 point for that.
Let's go.